How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard high contrast keyboard on the Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. And in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Now in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And then we go down and tap on high contrast keyboard. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on high contrast keyboard. Now you can tap on the left hand side panel and choose which contrast keyboard to use. So we got black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on black keypad, yellow letters on black keypad, or white letters on blue keypad. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.